All right, so get this. This homeowner got quotes from several different companies to come in and do an encapsulation to his sort of kind of like a basement slab slash crawl space. And it was astronomical what they were trying to do, what they were trying to charge. And he just went ahead and did it himself. And I'm here to tell you, I'm absolutely freaking blown away. This is amazing. Look at this. He used 2-inch styrofoam, went ahead, sealed it all off, left a perfect inspection window for termite inspections and everything else. Look at this. This crawl space is the nicest. I mean, it's a stand-up crawl. It gets a little narrow up there, but shallow. But I there's companies out there that couldn't do what this guy did. I have to give him so much props, and I did, and I will with some more. But this is how you do an encapsulation. Now the styrofoam, it's optional. You went ahead and used it. I'm guessing insulation purposes. But foamed, all the seams taped. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. It smells like a brand new car down here. And he did this several years ago. I got to come around here. I'm going to show you. Look at the HVAC system. Look at this. Not a drop of water coming out of it. It's preserved. Oh. God, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, my videos, you see, a handful of them are basically nice encapsulations. I give, props where props is due. And then most of my videos are about like, this is disgusting. But you could tell. You could tell that he had some fungus issues down here. So there was a real problem happening here. He just didn't decide to do this, but he got a quote. I think they tried to charge him. I think he said like 30 grand, which sounds really, really high. But he installed an April Air. I've seen this machine around quite a bit. Usually they just throw some blocks down. He went ahead and carved out the dirt, leveled this guy up himself. This is level, or some folks like to hang them from the joist. But what I heard about hanging them from the joist from some homeowners is that because this machine does vibrate a little bit, it does vibrate the joist, and the homeowners can actually feel it upstairs. So I'm not sure, but if the homeowner says it, I'm guessing it's right. Yeah, it definitely had some fungus, a little bit, nothing crazy, but I'm just blown away by what he did. This is a retired guy. He's, not a spring chicken anymore. Looks like one, though. He's kept himself up pretty good. But what a job, man. What a job. This is absolutely beautiful. If you ever were going to buy a house and you've seen this in a crawl space, I don't care. You better put an offer on it, because you don't see this. You definitely do not see this. These people will have such an easy time selling this home. I mean, the exterior, everything is impeccable, but the pride, he probably saved, if $30,000 was the number, he probably saved over 25, let's say, let's just call it 20. A lot more than that, I can guarantee you that. But yeah, this is amazing. I had to make a video about this because I'm blown away. It's too bad I can't put them in my video because I'd love to show them off just to give them mad respect. But this is what an encapsulation should look like. Now, the foam, that's extra. Do you have to put the foam up there? No, but he probably wants it really insulated. The plastic is good enough, but he wanted to insulate the walls. I know a lot of companies offer that. Look, this is part of a French drain. I know a lot of companies are also using this French drain pipe. Some companies just use this and put gravel around it. Or they sell them like this at the big box stores, and you can actually buy them at the distributors, but I'm not sure. I'm not too sure, how good this works, to be honest with you. You really don't know until you visit a house several times after a rainstorm, but that's pretty cool. They use that for French drains. Very nice. But I'm blown away. I make a lot of videos about houses that are wrecked. You'll see my videos. I've got probably close to 200 videos out there. But I don't know. Check out the other videos and then take a look at this one again. But what a jam up job. This is a very well encapsulated home. Once again, a little bit easier because I'm actually standing up here. So this is over 7 feet tall. So nice area to work. But even the creases, everything. Wow. And you know what? Wife said he went on YouTube for about 3 months and found all different ways to do encapsulations. Had a truck, drop off the material, and he went at it. I mean, the Lord blesses us with a beautiful home to live in, and we have to take care of it. Treat it well. It was a gift. I'm just blown away. This is great. Kudos, man. Hope to see this Crawlspace again. Wow. Yeah, he's got a sump pump right there. Great job. Proud of him. Folks, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. Because, wow. Share this to somebody. Somebody who's interested in getting some work done. If you do moisture work, I want you to tell me what you think about this one. This is a homeowner took care of this. No prior experience in moisture work. If you're in this field or you hang out underneath crawl spaces and you see this work, you let me know what you think. Leave a comment, man. God bless you, folks. Take care of yourselves.